Hi guys, Cameron here from Cameron's Transport Channel. Welcome to another video. Today we're on the cross-country service to Plymouth from Dundee. We got on at Morpeth at 9:25. Was running early at Morpeth around 9:22ish. Sadly we've got a Voyager 221127 on a HST run. Second time this has happened and the train is absolutely jam-packed. Tried walking along a tilted train and more pits, trying to get to the front end of it. It's half on its side. Yeah, I've just had to do that. This is a short video today. The train is busy. 221127. Tilted Super Voyager. Second time I've put Super Voyager on a HST run. Passing Cramlington. Which means we're about 5 minutes away from running out. Well, a few minutes. They'll be shortly arriving into Newcastle anyways. Sadly not on a HST, but never mind, we did depart Newcastle on a HST, so we did get a HST today. Anyway guys, don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.